This is the Lost Coast, located in Humboldt County, California, with no major roads to access this region. It remains undeveloped, hence the name, Lost Coast. The landscape here is unlike anything I have seen along the Pacific coast. Steep, mountainous farmland with no towns. In fact, there is only one house along this 7-mile stretch. No wonder this is the most remote coastline in California.
We are in Black Sand Beach in Humboldt County. There's no people here. Private road, private spot.
Hundreds of cows around, and yeah, they are happy cows, no doubt. Since this whole land is a private property, so it's not everywhere that has beach access, but you will see some trail to walk down.
So windy! Look at the hair!
It was warm and sunny, but you might feel a little bit chilly due to strong winds, and ocean water was too cold to jump in. One thing I really like is the sand is black. I'm obsessed with the black sand beach, and I can see it here in Northern California.
See guys, it's really black!
What fascinates me the most is how untouched the land is. No shops, no people. The whole beach has only us. Can you believe this is in California?
Wow! Even the rock is black, see?
We drove on this path. It was beautiful 100-mile loop from Highway 101 to the Lost Coast. We passed a historic small town called Ferndale. So charming and lovely town. The architecture was like European style. You should check it out if you have time. It's beautiful scenic drive. But be careful the wildlife. We saw a lot of deer on the road. If you have chance to come to the Northern California, I highly recommend to explore this area, and you won't regret it. Feel free to reach me out if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in next video. Bye!